Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to customize the field service mobile app. So first navigate make.power apps. Before you go ahead and make any changes or do anything, for make sure that you are in the same environment. So I want to add a custom table in field service mobile app. Now click on solutions from here and then select the solution in which you are working on. So I have already added field service mobile app. Now I want to explain how to add this app in our solution. First click on add existing dropdown and then go to the app and then click on modern driven app. So from here you can search field service mobile app and then click on add button. Now go back to the field service mobile app and then click on three dot and then go to the edit and click on edit in new tab. So there are two ways to add a custom table. So first click on add page and then click on add dataverse table. And another way, click on new button and then click on add dataverse table. Now I want to create a new table, so click on create new table from here. Now click on new table drop down and then click on add columns and data. So here give the name of the table. So I am giving as test activity. Now click on save and exit and again click on save and exit from here. Now adding table to the app. Now scroll down. So it is added successfully on sitemap of field service mobile app. Now click on play button and then click on save and continue. Now go to the field service mobile application. So firstly refresh it. Now go to the text activity. Now I have got this test activity table is here. So click on this table. So if I want to create new test activity record, so click on that and then click on new from here. So in this video, we covered how to create custom table and how to add a custom table in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app. Thanks for watching.